Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your BIGME HiBreak Pro. So, if you got a case and a screen protector, it can cause a lot of interference with the touch, so I recommend you guys removing it for the time of the testing. So let's grab our case, let's remove it. And when the case is original, then it should fit perfectly, so there should be no worries about it. And if you got a poorly applied screen protector, then it also might cause the issue. Now what you guys can do is clean the screen with the microfiber cloth. So get your microfiber cloth ready and give it a few good swipes. So do it like that. Now do it gently, do not push too hard on the device, and should be all clean. Now what you guys want to do is restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So click the power button right here. Now keep on holding it, and now we can click reboot, and our phone now is restarting. So I'll see you guys once it's ready to use. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is update your software, and basically what you guys can do is go over to settings, and I'll show you guys. Now let's go over here to the system and click on the system update. So now click check for update and see if you got any new versions available. I don't, but if you do, then I recommend you guys updating it as fast as possible. And the second one is located in the more settings. So let's click it. Here we will have an option to scroll. So scroll right to the bottom until you guys see the system, and here click system update. So as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. So that's basically it for the video. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.